So everyone says you need an email list, right? But no one seems to be giving you real actionable tips on how to build yours. Well, that's about to change. Hi, my name is Fran and I'm about to share with you the easiest and fastest strategy for list building for affiliate marketing. This will work even if you have no experience, if you're a complete beginner, you have 0 subscribers, and if you don't even have a website. But first, just remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about list building, affiliate marketing, and how to monetize your content. Alright, so we're gonna go through 3 easy steps to start building your email list right now and start earning some commissions at the same time. First step in this process is to actually find an offer or a product to promote. And I'm going to show you how promoting this offer and placing the right elements in the right place will actually build your email list. We're not going to send your referrals directly to your affiliate link, but I'm going to show you how you don't even need to have a lead magnet, and you can start building that list and immediately start getting a few commissions straight away. If you still don't know what to promote, don't worry about it. At the end of this video, you'll find another video that shows you exactly how to find the perfect product to start promoting straight away and apply this strategy to. Alright, so once you have a product, you want to make sure that that product has a VSL, a video sales letter. And this is our strategy here. I'm going to demonstrate this with this product here. This is called the Baby Sleep Miracle, and I found it on ClickBank. You can apply these same methods to software, to whatever you want to promote. This one is actually a digital product that found on ClickBank, and it's very easy to find. You can find it on first page of ClickBank within parenting and families, and it's one of the best performing products they have on ClickBank for this niche. Alright, so once I found the product, I opened the sales page, and the sales page here is very simple. It only has the little video, it has a button, or add to cart button, and the price. Then you'll find some testimonials, which is one of the most important things to have on a sales page, obviously. This is a very simple sales page, but what we need from here is this, actually this, and we're going to use this video as a hook to start getting your subscribers. So in this case, we have a very easy way to do it because we have here the letter version of the video. So we can just click here and we'll open the sales letter in the written version of the sales letter. So here it is. And we can actually grab the copy from here directly. All right, so now we have all the elements we need. What we need is this video, and I'm going to show you the page I created to actually leverage this. And with this, we'll jump to step number 2, which is actually creating a landing page or a bridge page, whatever you want to call it. So this is the landing page I created for this offer. I've been using this as an example in my trainings. So here you can see what we're doing. We're actually we're leveraging the video and the hook behind this video. So discover the scientifically proven solution that gets your baby to sleep like clockwork. So people are looking for a way to get their baby to sleep. They're having troubles with their baby's sleep, and they need help with that. So this video will help them. This video will show them that the scientifically proven solution that gets their baby to sleep like clockwork, even if everything else has failed, proven by a 17,000 well-rested parents. This is obviously written by very good copywriters. This wasn't written by me. I just grabbed it from the sales letter here. As you can see here, this is the header of the sales letter. I grabbed this and I put it here. I have a video teaching exactly how to create bridge pages like this, and you can find that video in a card somewhere above this video. I'll leave a card for it, and you can go straight away to that video if you want to learn how to build these bridge pages. I will also leave a link in the description below for this bridge page if you want to download it with ClickFunnels. This was built with ClickFunnels, but you can build it with any software. And if you want to download this bridge page that I created and just edit it for yourself, just change the video and that's it. You can download it straight away from the description below, and you'll be creating a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. Try it for 14 days. Try this method for 14 days if you want, and if you're not happy with it, just cancel it, or use your own software if you have if you like another software to create landing pages or bridge pages, just use another software, but apply this method and you'll see how easy it is to start building your email list. All right, so how does this work exactly? Basically, we hook them with a headline and we offer the video. But the trick here is that the video is not actually on this page. The person wants to watch the video, and once they click here to watch the video, they are asked for their email address. The same thing with this button. And then I just grabbed a few testimonials as well from the sales page. You can see those testimonials are here. And I put them here, and it's just as simple as this. We could make it a bit more, we could grab more elements and put them here, but the purpose of this is just to capture their email address and then offer the video to them. So here it is. This is actually the easiest method you'll ever find to start building an email list and actually make commissions at the same time. How does that work? Well, once you introduce your email here and you click start watching the video, you will be routed through my affiliate link in this case, or your affiliate link once you build a page like this, to the sales page right here, and you'll be watching the video. If you actually decide to buy this product, you will be paying me a commission, or in your case, your referrals that watched the video and decided to buy the product, because the video is a sales letter. But it also helps the person to find a solution to their problem. If they want to buy it, they will buy and you'll get the commission. If they don't want to buy, they don't buy, but you still get their email address, which this is the biggest mistake most people are making with affiliate marketing. Is they are paying for traffic, they are trying to get their commissions, they are trying to level how much they are paying for traffic and how much they are getting in commissions, in order to see if their business is profitable or not. But whilst they should be acquiring an email list, which is their biggest asset in affiliate marketing, and they'll be able to promote other offers to that list. So now I promoted this, a baby sleep miracle, fine. Later I can promote to this list of email subscribers. I know these people have a baby. I know these people have had trouble getting their baby to sleep. I can offer them something else for babies. I can offer them a baby carrier. I can offer them whatever I want. Through email, I can send them anything. They are my subscribers forever, as long as they don't unsubscribe. If they do, that's fine. There will be others, and you have this method starting to build up your email list. Now, step number 3 here is to actually bring traffic to this landing page, to your landing page. So how do you bring people to this bridge page that you created? It's very easy. There are 2 methods. You can start with paid traffic, which most people want to go fast. They start with paid traffic, and that is a perfectly good idea, a perfectly good solution. But be aware that paid traffic is hard. A lot of beginners that have a few spare dollars, they start to pay for traffic, but because they don't want to learn how to create organic traffic. But actually, learning paid traffic is as hard as learning how to create organic traffic, or even harder. So what I advise is, even if you want to pay for traffic, still create an organic strategy. And I'm going to share with you how to do that right now. And it's not as hard as you might think. If you want to bring paid traffic, I will advise a few methods. You can do Facebook ads like everybody's doing. You can do Google ads, which is my favorite because I can target the people by interest, by keywords. You can do YouTube ads if you're good at video, and you can do Pinterest ads. If you're in a niche like parenting and helping and baby tips and things like this, I highly advise you to go on Pinterest. And you can do both your organic and your paid strategy in Pinterest, which is a really good niche. Just make sure that you have a good niche for Pinterest. Some niches won't work so easily in Pinterest, but some of them will work really, really well, like this one. If you're doing something like DIY or decoration or fashion, Pinterest is great for you. Now, how do you start creating organic traffic to this page really easy and really fast? It's not as hard as you might think. Like once you have a product, once you choose a product, you can start creating content around that product. So you have two choices here. You can start to create blog posts, or you can start to create YouTube videos. If you're new to this and you're okay getting on camera, YouTube is your best bet. With YouTube, you can rank videos really, really easily and really, really fast. So as long as you focus on a product, you make sure you find a product that doesn't have a lot of competition on YouTube, you will be able to rank your video. And the reason I like to have an organic strategy is because the content that you create and you manage to rank it on search engines, and YouTube is a search engine just like Google, it's the second biggest search engine in the world, that content will continue to bring you visitors even if you're not doing anything. So you create that content once, and then the visitors will keep coming for years to come, depending on the content that you created. So let's give you an example here. Let's find an example here on YouTube. So we're talking about baby sleep miracle. Let's see what we can find here. YouTube search bar, baby sleep miracle, and you have a few choices here. You can either go to baby sleep miracle method, baby sleep miracle. This is what people are searching right now about this. Some people are watching this video and not buying, but then they are actually checking on YouTube for more information. So they are checking for baby sleep miracle method. Like, does this work? And you can actually create a video reviewing this product, saying, okay, I've used this product myself, but just make sure if you say that you actually do use it and you purchase it. And it works great. This is how it works, more or less. You can talk a little bit about the product. As you can see, people are seeing here baby sleep miracle 7 steps. This lady, probably she's talking about 7 steps in the video. You can actually talk about the 7 steps yourself. You can see here the PDF, because and this is another thing you can use as well. All right, so I'm just going to show you here the affiliate resources for this product, and as you can see, they even have here a free report that you can give to your subscribers, so you wouldn't have to use the video method. But I think, but I know that the video method is working much better than actually giving away a PDF. Once you get a PDF, once you give away a PDF, then your subscriber is fine, and I mean, they got the PDF, they think they have their problem is solved. Even if it's not, the idea they have is that the problem is solved. If you actually give them the video is a sales letter, and it's built to sell the product. It gives them some information, but it's actually only going to solve their problem completely, and it's built to make them understand that once they buy the product. So as you can see here, you can actually look for any of these. Let's look for a baby sleep miracle method, and what we have here is a lot of people creating stuff about this. Baby sleep miracle, pink noise calms baby. You can see here there's a lot of videos here about this, but not as many as like that you couldn't rank your video here. All right, so basically my advice here on YouTube is to actually just use the YouTube suggest feature. So just write the name of the product and let it suggest what people are looking for. Take notes and check if there's a lot of competition, and if there's not, you can start to create videos around this. If you're interested in starting to do this on YouTube, you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. I'm using both, but I'm using the paid version of TubeBuddy. These are extensions that help you find which videos to rank on, or how the video will rank for you on YouTube. All right, so as you can see here, it will show you even the amount of people that are looking for it. As you can see, the volume for this keyword is low, so it's not very easy to look for it. But you can try another keyword, like how to get your baby to sleep. All right, so as you can see here, this is vidIQ is not loading the results very well. I don't know why, but I'm closing vidIQ. I don't have the paid version for this one. It's just a free version. But as you can see here in the with TubeBuddy, I can find the search volume for this one is much higher. It has a lot of competition, and you can just use TubeBuddy to find these little which keywords are actually easy to rank for you or not. If you're interested, I'll leave a link for TubeBuddy in the description below, and for vidIQ as well. and you can actually take a look and use. Both of them have free versions and you can use them for free. So this is the YouTube way you can start using right now. You can create blog posts around the content as well. It's not as easy to rank a blog post, and because there's much more competition on Google, and it takes longer to actually rank a good blog post. But if you start just creating a lot of blog posts or a lot of videos, that's the main strategy here with organic content. If you create a lot of content around the same exact subject, so here Baby Sleep and Baby Sleep Miracle, the actual product, then your content will be very authoritative, which is what the search engines are looking for nowadays, because they know that you know a lot about this subject, you have a lot of content about this subject, so they're gonna show your content eventually to the people looking for the solutions. All right, so this is the very easy method. You can start building your email list right now and start to get paid to do so. So step number 1, find a product or an offer to promote. Step number 2, build a bridge page around that product, which actually leverages the video sales letter of the product you want to sell to gather your subscribers. And step number 3, drive traffic to that page, both paid or organic if you want, or just go with the organic if you're not interested in spending a lot of money on stuff. Just one thing, if you're going to create organic content, make sure you choose a good product to promote. Don't choose a product that might disappear and then you're going through all this trouble to rank a content that for a product or products that will disappear. If you're creating content like how to get your baby to sleep, obviously this content you can, if this product ever goes away, or if there's a problem with this product, you can also find another product related to this for sure. But make sure there is space for you to move around if you're going to actually create content, because like I told you, content creation is a long-term strategy. It's what will build your affiliate business, and it will bring you commissions for a long time. All right, so that's it. That's the easiest way to build an email list for affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel to learn more about list building, about affiliate marketing, and earning from your content creation efforts. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.